Hello friends, good afternoon. This is my first video in my YouTube, so there will be some mistakes. Please forgive me. Today I will make a 3D CAD. This is the picture. I will give the link where I get this picture. So we will start from this view. It is 10, 20A and 60. I have drawn this already, but I will make a new one. The first thing you have to do, we have to make them visible, these planes. So I will draw in right plane. And first I am taking the values, then I will give the dimension. You can draw any random lines and then you can edit them. Making them vertical and horizontal. Now I'll start dimensioning. By the way, all dimensions are in millimeters. It is still underdefined. I have to make it fully defined. This is fully defined now. Now I have to do the extrude base boss. So we see this area, the height is 60 and here it is 22 plus 8 plus 22 again. So it is 60 plus 22 plus 8 plus 22 is 112. So we'll extrude this in the different direction. Okay. Now see, I will do this part now. See, the area of this surface is 22 plus 8 plus 22 and it is 60. So I will draw in this surface, make it normal in the sketch. Take any rectangular and give the dimension. So it is fully defined. We can extrude this. See, the height is 60. I will take it 60. Okay. Now I will draw this. See, this is not in the same surface. It is 8 plus 52 plus 8. It is 68. Sorry, I have some cold. Now I will draw these circles. One is 60, another one is 32. At first I will draw the 60 for extrude and then I will draw 32 or extrude cut in the surface. I am making it normal. Sketch. It's fully defined. This dimension, it will go 8. And another direction, it will go 60. Fine. Now I will draw another circle in this surface. At any point, you can take the center is 60. It is 32. Fully defined again. Now I will do this one. So it is 24 and 30, and the D is 18. I can take a circle anywhere. It is fully defined again. So you will extrude through. Okay, nice. Now the next part, I will do this. This is a bit tricky. So the height of it is 12, and the width should be 12 plus 8 plus 12, which is 32. So I will draw in this surface in a rectangle. It should be 12. It should be 32. Now I drew one thing. I'll draw a center line here. Now here to here it is 16, because you can see this picture, 12 and half of 8 from the center line, it is 16, and the height from the base is 16 also. Right. So it is fully defined. Now we can extrude this. So we can extrude this to 50. Now we'll do these circles. One is 32, another one is 16. This is fully defined. Now I'll extrude cut this 16. The center should be its center, so wait, delete this. It is fully defined again. Now the difficult part. I have to draw this plane, a reference plane. So it is from here, it is 16 millimeter. I will draw a plane from this surface, and it is opposite direction, 16 millimeter. Now I will draw in this plane. This is fully defined again. Now set next to this side 4, another side 4 as well. So we have done. Thank you very much for watching the video.